Hello everyone. Let us meet once again to learn Zulu language. Welcome to my channel. Today we are coming to deal with the days of the week in Zulu language. Izinsuku zesonto ngesiZulu. We are coming to learn about izinsuku zesonto ngesiZulu, days of the week in Zulu language. Hello everyone. I welcome you all to our Zulu language lessons. Let us talk about days of the week. This is what we are coming to talk about. So, by the way, this is our Zulu language lessons. We are on lesson 24. Our today's topic will be based on days of the week in Zulu language. Izinsuku zesonto ngolimi lwesiZulu. I hope you are ready. By the way, this is Polyphant Knowledge and Skills. I'm your host, PH Oliphant. Days of the week. In Zulu they say, izinsuku zesonto. Izinsuku zesonto. Here is a brief description before we get on it. In many languages, the names given to the 7 days of the week are derived from the names of the classical planets in Hellenistic astronomy, which were in turn named after contemporary deities, a system introduced by the Sumerians and later adopted by the Babylonians, from whom the Roman Empire adopted the system during late antiquity. In some of other languages, the days are named after corresponding deities of the region culture, beginning either with Sunday or with Monday. The 7 days of the week are adopted in early Christians from the Hebrew calendar, who copied it from the Babylonians and gradually replaced the Roman Nandinal cycle. Well, Sunday remained the first day of the week, but in the International Standards ISO 8601, Monday is treated as the first day of the week, in almost all the countries of the world. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let us check how the Zulu language speaking people name or call these days according to their culture. Let us begin. Isonto. Isonto. Isonto means Sunday. Umsombuluko. 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 Umsombuluko means Monday. Ulwesibili. Ulwesibili. Ulwesibili means Tuesday. Ulwesithathu. 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 Ulwesithathu means Wednesday. Ulwesine. Ulwesine. Ulwesine means Thursday. Thursday is Ulwesine. Ulwesihlanu. 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 Ulwesihlanu means Friday. Umgqibelo. Umgqibelo. Umgqibelo means Saturday. Umgqibelo means Saturday. If it is hard for you to call or to pronounce this word, umgqibelo, please visit our first lesson. I think it is introduction, or lesson 1 or lesson 2, where we learn to combine or to combine vowels, to do vowels at large, how to combine two vowels, how to combine three, I mean consonants. Yeah, how to combine the three, because here we have M, G, Q, which is M, G. So if you combine these three, you will have something like mk, mk, umgqibelo. Umgqibelo is Saturday. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Let us see once again. Isonto is Sunday. Sunday is isonto. Sunday is isonto. Monday. Monday is umsombuluko. Monday is umsombuluko. Tuesday. Tuesday is ulwesibili. Tuesday is ulwesibili. Ulwesibili. Wednesday. Wednesday is called ulwesithathu. 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 Thursday. Thursday is called ulwesine. 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 That is Thursday. Friday. Friday is called ulwesihlanu. 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 The last one is Saturday. Saturday is umgqibelo. Umgqibelo. Umgqibelo is the 7th day of the week. If you start from Monday, it is the 7th day of the week. But if you start Monday, it will be the 6th day of the week, and Sunday will be the 7th. Right. Let us recap. Isonto is Sunday. Isonto is Sunday. Umsombuluko is Monday. Umsombuluko is Monday. Ulwesibili is Tuesday. Ulwesibili is Tuesday. Number 4. Ulwesithathu. Ulwesithathu is Wednesday. Ulwesithathu is Wednesday. Ulwesine, it is number 5. Ulwesine is Thursday. Ulwesine is Thursday. Ulwesihlanu is Friday. Ulwesihlanu is Friday. Umgqibelo is Saturday. Umgqibelo is Saturday. Number 1, isonto. Number 2, umsombuluko. Number 3, ulwesibili. Number 4, ulwesithathu. Number 5, ulwesine. Number 6, ulwesihlanu. Number 7, umgqibelo. 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 That is all we need to know when it comes to days of the week. Now it is your time to practice what we learned today until you are perfect. Revise this video until you understand it fully. Repeat this video until you are satisfied that you master it. And don't forget to push those likes buttons, subscribe, and share this video. What is for you to know is that our subscribe is free. It does not commit you to pay anything. Our subscribe is just a sign that you need to, or you are interested in our videos. Subscribe in our channel is just a way to support us. Please do. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful lesson. This was Polyphonology Skills. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. I thank you.